Hi, I'm Braden Morris, venue manager here at the Trillium Venue in the heart of the Smoky Mountains. I just wanted to introduce myself, show you around the venue, and tell you a little bit more about us. The Trillium Venue is located in the heart of the Smoky Mountains, just minutes away from downtown Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg. What's great about where we're located is we have nearby hotels, cabins, and Airbnbs. We even have on-site cottages here at the Trillium. Downstairs in our Bridal Suite is one of my favorite places in the entire venue. There's cute little vanity stations for all your girls to get ready, a half bath, and even 2 full-size dressing rooms. You have access to the Bridal Suite from 10 a.m. until 11 p.m. The best part about the Bridal Suite is the wraparound balcony. The balcony wraps all the way around the building, leads to our private bridal parking, and is the perfect place for first looks, pre-ceremony shots, or maybe a champagne send-off.
Are you excited? Are you nervous?
Our Grooms Lounge is one of the most popular places in the entire venue. The guys are more than welcome to have access at 10 a.m. just like the girls are in the Bridal Suite. The Grooms Lounge has tons of cool features. One, this awesome garage door that leads out to the beautiful view with a bar top, TV to maybe watch the game, a full-size bathroom with shower, a locker room, and shuffleboard table. Our lower level patio area is the perfect place for a first look, maybe do a s'mores bar at the fire pit, or just to sit out here and enjoy all the breathtaking views. We're out here on our ceremony patio where we can accommodate 150 guests for your ceremony. What's great about the ceremony space is it also doubles as the dance floor, where you'll dance under the stars and under our beautiful bistro lights. Outside under our covered pavilion is where cocktail hour takes place. This is the perfect cocktail hour patio. After the ceremony, your guests make their way over here, get a drink, maybe an appetizer, and hang out before the reception starts. Our covered pavilion is also our main rain backup. What I love about this rain backup plan is that you can still get married outside, out of the elements, and you still have all the beautiful views.
It's just simple. I'll take you on the day away. Making time for some loving. Put your sound on play. Watching on old time movie. Don't trust the clouds go by. I'm drifting.
Inside the reception space, this is usually where dinner is served. We provide all the tables and chairs for 150 of your closest family and friends. We also have 2 big garage doors on either side of the venue. After dinner is served, we highly recommend opening both garage doors on either side of the venue to create a good flow in and out of the space. I hope you enjoyed the Trillium and all it has to offer. If you do decide that the Trillium is the perfect venue for you, keep in mind you get the entire property for a total of 13 hours, from 10 a.m. until 11 p.m. We'd love to hear from you and work with you on your special day.